Reporting on call outcomes in HubSpot is a standard and simple report for many sales managers. It allows you to see at a glance how your team is performing on their phone outreach without going through each individual call or reading any notes. While Aircall offers native call outcomes based on the type of the call, some use cases may require the use of custom call outcomes in HubSpot. To avoid manually updating your call logs, you can use Aircall tags to map to your custom call outcomes, which will be automatically populated on the call activity based on the relevant tag being used. While in a call, my agent has a positive call with the customer and therefore adds the BDR interested tag we use in our outbound operations. They end the call and correctly exit out of the post-call screen to cement the information. On the call activity in the contact record, I can see that the BDR interested tag has been logged in the call notes, and my call outcome field has been populated as BDR interested. I can easily generate a report on my call outcomes by using the Sales Analytics feature of HubSpot, which provides an out-of-the-box report on call outcomes. Here I can see a record count of the different call outcomes over a set period of time. If I would like to see the record count of call outcomes per agent for a more agent performance-focused report, I can easily leverage this information into a custom report in HubSpot. Let's see how I set this all up. For those not familiar with creating call outcomes, this is done in the HubSpot settings. Once in the settings, select Calling and then Call Setup from the left sidebar menu. Click the Call Configurations tab, and next to the Track Call Outcome settings, click Edit Options. Add your custom outcomes by clicking on Add Outcome. Navigating now to the Aircall dashboard, I have created my 3 tags relevant to my BDR team: BDR Interested, BDR Not Interested, and BDR Callback Later. I then navigate to the settings of my HubSpot integration, where I track my tags to their matching call outcomes I created earlier in HubSpot, which have been automatically synced into my Aircall dashboard. Once this feature has been configured and saved, the next time my agents make a call and use one of these tags, the custom call outcome will be automatically populated on the call record. So by mapping Aircall tags to call outcomes in HubSpot, you can further leverage Aircall data relatable to you and your team's business operations for more insightful reporting.